Hi, welcome to a tutorial from Start PHP. My name is Ahmed Shamshiri, presenting this tutorial from Canada. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add images to products in continuation of my previous tutorial on PHP Maker 2020. This is the second part of getting started with PHP Maker. At the first stage, I've shown you how to create two tables for product, including category, and I've added some products. Now we are going to add images for the same product. So you have to watch that video and follow it before coming to this. At this stage, if you just start, it will be meaningless and you will be lost. Now let's add image for each product. For these products, let's have an image field so we can upload file. Let's go here first. Let's add a field here. I'm clicking on the product. This is a table for the product. Click on structure, and we are adding a field after the category. So the first thing the user does is, after selecting category, to select the image. Here it says add one field after category. Click OK. Let's call it image. Because it's a file name, we want to have it a varchar or var character 128 to be safe, because sometimes the file name will be long. Image file name, and click save. That's done. Go to PHP Maker, refresh. It says it has been updated. I don't want to see it. That's done. Now we have to do two things. Go to PHP and then general option. Here we see file upload, PHP general option file upload, and it will be stored in the root directory called files, and the maximum file byte is set here, but we can set it from somewhere else. This is in terms of byte. If you pay attention here, this is 2 megabyte, and these are the available upload files with a comma: GIF, JPG, JPEG, BMP, PNG, Excel, and PDF and zip. So you can remove those files if you don't want those files to be uploaded. And after that, let's go to product, and now the image is shown here. We don't want that. From this icon, click and drag it above the title. It will be here. Caption, this is the text that you will see on the screen. So let's change it to product image, and then when I click on image, this area we have to make sure to select file. Once you select file, this will appear here, and then upload folder, you can select something else. I will have separate video on that. Do not change it because it will work fine. And if you want to resize the image, click this. Remember, when you click it, it says it needs GD library. That's a special library for PHP that takes care of image manipulation. You must have it. I have it here. Let me show you. I'm going on my PHP on WAMP server. When I click, I go PHP and extensions, PHP extensions, and here you see GD2 has been enabled, so I can enable or disable any of this we want. I just click, it will be disabled, and click again, it will be enabled. So I can resize it. When you resize, just set the width. One of them will be enough. Let's say you want the image to never be above 1000 pixel, and proportionally it will select the height for you, don't worry. And the rest we are not touching. The next thing that you do, click on this field on the view, click image. So what size you want to see it on the list, on the page. Here I want it 300 pixel, or let's say 200 pixel image, small. If you want to set height, just set one of them. Proportionally it will be displayed. Very important. Save, and let's generate it. Now the file has been generated. Let's go here and refresh. You will see now all the products will have product image. One thing I should not forget is that when I click on image, if you wanted to enforce the required, you can check this required and it will force the user to upload image. The same way for the other items as well, you can say required. For example, product title must be inserted, description might not be necessary, and also in category, product title should be required. And then let me click and generate it again. Let's change this Panasonic GH5 by clicking on this edit. Now you will see that we have product image. Choose file if I click here or anywhere. Now if I want to upload, just click somewhere here, and this image is now large. You see 1600 by 1600. Let me select that, upload it automatically and save. Now this is how it is shown here. If I click on view, so all the images will be shown whatever size you set. The size is set in here. The size is set, and when you click on image, this is the size. And if I click on view, again this is the size, but you can click and view it in larger size and press escape to exit. And here to show you the image, I have to go to my folder that I've worked with. I've worked with this PHP 2020, and here is the files. This is a folder where the images have been uploaded. This was the image that I have uploaded. As you can see, it shows 1000 by 1000, or if I right click here, properties, and if I go to details, you will see that it has been resized to 1000 by 1000, and that is the location of the files. Let me upload another image. Let me edit this. Canon lens. And edit this as well. Upload. And that's it. So this way you can easily upload as many images as you wish for the product. And now here, let's say you want to have multiple images. Click on image, come here, select multiple. Once you check this, you can upload multiple images. Let's save, generate. Now I'm in this page that has image. On different products we have different images. Let's edit this one. First let me delete it. Let's say you want to upload multiple images. Click here. Once you click, you can click one image or you can click multiple. You see here they have been put with quotation space. If you put 3 images, the 3 will be selected. Let's just select these 2 that are relevant for Panasonic. So you see it has been uploaded, saved, and here it is shown here all the images. In this case you might, if you have multiple images, you can reduce the size here so they can occupy less smaller space. 100. And if I refresh it, you will see they are shown properly. Even here you can select and view the image. I'm pressing now right and left arrow. You can see the image, escape, or if I go on view, the same way I can click, and using the left and right arrow key you can view the images. Thank you for watching. This was how to include images with a product. If you like this video and learned something, please thumb up, as this will help my video in the search algorithm of YouTube. If you have comment or question, post it at the comment section below. I try to answer and reply. If you want to get updates of my upcoming videos, make sure to subscribe.